welcome back to another video. Yes, today. Don't push the button 4. I don't know what. Watch out for bombs. Oh. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another. Yeah, I already said that. Yeah, but we don't watch the button 4. I'm sorry for that. That's what happened. Come on, give me the most. Yes, but I'm very sorry. What are you doing, Billy? Give me those colors. Yeah, I did see that. I was just scrolling through Roblox, and all I seen was this game. Now, I think the purpose of this game is to just, like, someone will push the button, I think. And then, I never played this game. And yeah, that's basically it. Someone will push the button, and then you'll go, and there'll be like a random game that you have to do, and you'll see how much you do. Well, what'd you get? What'd you get? 1, 2. I got it! Let's go! Let's go! What else? Oh God! Oh God! What? Hey, push button! Hey, push button! Oh, I want to push the button! Where am I? Hey, where am I? Oh, there I am. I just have to do like this. Oh. Stand up. Come on, let me have this. This is gonna last forever. Can we just end this already?
Zillion, jillion, dillion, quadrillion times later.
That was weird. Oh! No! I was so close! Come on! Let me have this. Oh, gotcha. What? I'm ready. Wait, push the button. 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 What meaning? What do you do? That guy just walked. That guy just walked off. Avoid objects. Oh shoot. Well, this seems easy peasy, man. Oh, man, you left. Jump off. Come on, let me have this. Let me have this. Pretty please. Let me have this. Aww. Push button. Push button. Did I push it? What happened? I pushed it again. Find the button. Push the button. I'll push it again. Did I push it? Aww. Find the missing 4 gears. Found one. What if I just never do it? Like, oh no! Ooh. Oh no! Not me. Ooh. Yeah, I just happened. What is it? Okay. Okay, you can stop trolling now. You can stop now. You can't stop now. Oh, there we go. Reach the. Oh. I'm gonna follow you. Yeah. No. What? Why did I have to disconnect? Don't worry, I reconnected. You die. Mine. Mine. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me have this. Let me have this. I have the big one. No. Let me have this. Come on. Come on. Let's go! Let's go! Hey, 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 hey. Watch out for the mummy. Mom. Hurry up! This is taking forever! I will wait. Oh, okay, there we go. Wait. Survive the falling pack. Okay, I am really scared. This is scary. Who's gonna fall? Which one's gonna fall? It's gonna be that side. Let me survive, please. Yeah, she's dead. She did. Okay, come on. It's just us three now. Okay, come on. Let me have this. Okay. Excuse me, what are you doing right there, mister? Oh, your face. So guys, I want to ask you something. Have you guys subscribed yet? Can I just talk? Can I just have a word without dying or disconnecting? I will report it. And just bite Mr. Yes! Get ready. Yeah, see, I made it. See my name up there in the top? Oh, look at my name. Moo Whitey! And CJ Boys. Watch it be red. Red next. Red's next. Okay. Next one is gonna be blue. Can you let me have one? That was close. Dead suckers. I'm not a sucker. Oh, no. Oh. Boulders. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be that side. It's gonna be that side. Oh, what's it gonna be? It's gonna be that side. Oh, it's gonna be that side again. guys, how's it going up here? Oh, you doing nice, eh? You doing nice, you nice, eh? Hey, what a noob! Sorry, I am a noob. Ooh, a castle. I want to go in the castle. What's going to be in here? You guys are too scaredy cats to go in. Would you? I hope this guy dies in front of me. Yes! Second! 7 points! First the worst. Second the best. Yeah, that's me. Third, the golden sky. Oh. So shiny and nice. How come I'm not doing emo? I will do emo right now. This game is the easiest. I will do an emo. Oh yeah. Ooh. 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 Oh no, I'm so scared. Cause this game is easy peasy. Oh no, skinny. You go on YouTube, man? You wanna be on YouTube? I'm dead. I wanna die! Hey, where's this red square? Let me die! Oh! Seriously? Throw me to the ground. Let me die. Can't die in this. Oh, yippee! Hi, guys! Oh! Before the beginning of the session, I just died. Let me have this. If I do this, the video ends. No! How dare you? See, I did it. I gotta do this one. Take cover under the infinity. Oof, 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 oof.